I'm Andy, the Mitsubishi guy, and here's another fresh arrival. We love doing these certified pre-owned cars. This is a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander SEL-Premium. What a great car. Now keep in mind it's the 4-cylinder 2.4 coupled to a CVT transmission. This thing is rated at 24 in the city, 29 on the highway. And what does it mean to you that it's certified? That means that you as the next owner get the balance of the 10-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, 5 years 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, 5 years unlimited mileage roadside assistance, 8 years 80,000 miles computer and catalytic converter, and 7 years 100,000 miles anti-corrosion. Now, you may be watching this video and you may not be a local person. I want you to know we ship cars all over the country. If you want this car dropped off in your driveway, it's not a problem. We are car shipping experts and we can arrange for that at a very reasonable cost. So don't hesitate to ask. Okay, let's go over some of the great things about this car. I talked about the gas mileage, I've talked about the warranty. How about the LED running lights? Great fog lights down here. 18-inch wheels, power heated side view mirrors, and if I'm not mistaken, these are probably power folding heated side view mirrors. We'll check that out in just a second. Body side moldings are an accessory. Now this is a fast key car, and I usually take a quick snapshot of this, but here's what the key looks like. Now, as you can see, you've got lock, unlock, and the rear hatch all on here, and it's a power rear hatch. But the fast key system is hands-free. Keys in your pocket, you walk up to either the front doors or the back door. You push the button, your doors are locked. And there we go, power folding side view mirrors. I push the button again, doors are unlocked. Once again, that function works from both front doors and it works from the rear hatch. Come with me, let me show you the inside. Let's get a good look in there. Now the SEL stands for leather. At least the L on the SEL stands for leather. So of course we've got beautiful leather heated front seats, but I'm gonna start from the left and work my way right. We have our power windows, our power locks, and our power heated, power folding side view mirrors are controlled from right here. Sit down in the driver's seat, power driver's seat, tilt, telescopic steering. I'll set my information sheet down for just a second so my hands aren't obstructed. All right, as we go over here, we've got a button that opens up the rear hatch. From this side, I've got the automatic headlights, and I've got the automatic rain sensing wipers controlled from right here. Moving to the front of the steering wheel, I have our Bluetooth fuse system, which obviously allows you to make and receive phone calls and Bluetooth stream music right through the sound system. Mode selector, which is AM, FM, satellite radio, USB, Bluetooth, everything you want, every connectivity to the sound system. Volume up and down, presets left and right. Cruise control is located right here. Push button start stop. Once again, got the key in your pocket, put your foot on the brake, start the car, and away you go. Now I'm going to turn this off right here. And actually, I'm going to take a moment and shut the car off, but I'm going to turn the key back to the on position so you can see what everything looks like when it fires up. Because I want to talk for just a minute about the information system that you'll see. This is a Rockford Fosgate system. It's 710 watts with 9 speakers, including a 10-inch subwoofer. And it's fantastic. But the other great part about 2017 is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So whether you're on Apple or Android, this system is going to sync with your phone and allow you to do texting and navigation and everything, all voice controlled, all without touching your phone. And if you want to know more about it, there's videos right at the bottom of our website describing, or give us a call, all right? If you look over here, we've got dual zone climate control, and I can hit automatic. We can set the temperature. We can do whatever we want to do here. I'm going to turn it back to off. We've got an eco setting if you wanted to do it. I think if I turn it on like that, it might light up a little bit better. You can see it a little bit. Scrolling down below, 12-volt power outlet. We've got our blind spot detection right there where you can turn that on and off. I'll go over a lot of the safety features in just a moment, but I want to cover the equipment. Here's our shifter. Here's our electric parking brake. Here is our super all-wheel control selector. And you can go on this car from all-wheel control eco, just like I'm doing, normal, a snow setting, or a lock setting, just that quick and easy. And you can make these changes on the fly. Doesn't matter how fast you're going or whether you're straight or turning. Anytime you want to change, you change. Dual heated front seats. Center console comes up. Another 12-volt power outlet. This is actually a heated cubby hole. And dual USB ports are in here too, which is really, really nice. Okay, as we glance up, automatic dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink built in. And at the very top, a power glass and shaded sunroof. Okay, a lot of stuff right there. Now I'm going to let the camera circle around. I want to mention some of the things that are on this car that you're going to want to know about. All right, and I'm going to take a moment while he's looking. But with this premium package, you get the blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert and lane change assist. If you don't know what that is, it's a reason to give us a call. 710 watt Rockford Fosgate sound system and 9 speakers, power sunroof, power remote liftgate. It's got accessory wheel locks on it. It's got the cargo tray package, which is cargo net, cargo tray, and the third row floor mat. It's got the accessory body side moldings, and this car is all-weather package also, which means it's got the all-weather floor mats, and it's got remote engine start. Now that's a lot of equipment on a car that's basically a used car that's like a brand new car, but a used car price. Okay, let's touch on safety. Front airbags, side seat airbags, side curtain airbags, driver's side knee airbag, anti-lock brakes, anti-skid control, traction control, hill start assist. Once again, these are a lot of great options and features that may be new verbiage to you. Give us a call at Showcase. We will answer any and all of your questions about this. Let me move to the next row. We'll take you on a quick tour back there. Second row seat in the Outlander. Fantastic space. Once again, beautiful leather back here. Theater height seating means you sit up higher in the back than you do in the front. You see great out the front. You see great out the side. And that's designed to make these backseat passengers a lot less likely to experience car sickness. Center armrest folds down, double drink holder. We've got 3 shoulder strap seat belts that go all the way across. We've got the middle one tucked up out of the way for the moment. Child safety seat latch and tether system all the way across the bottom. The other great feature about this car is all these back seats fold flat. And that is my next thing I'm going to show you. But quickly before I do, also the back seat in this car slides forward and backward, which is really nice. And the recline is adjustable. So, very flexible, comfortable seating for you and your passengers. Now, you want to fold the seat down. Well, it's a 2-step process. Pull number 1, pull number 2, and down she goes. It's just that easy. And you'll notice it's all nice and flat with all that right up against the nose like that. So you get all this room. Now you're getting your first shot at the third seat, and this is a 7-passenger car. Mitsubishi split that 50-50, so you can have one side up and one side down. I've got both up right now with one headrest to show you, but I'm going to run around the back and I'm going to show you how good it works from the rear. Okay, we get around to the back. Of course, this car has a backup camera on it. They've got the backup lights nice and low, and they really illuminate the road when you're backing up in the dark. I told you about the power rear hatch. All you've got to do is hit the button, and up she goes. Now, you can do it just like I did it there. There's a button on the dashboard, and there's a button on the key fob. So you got 3 different ways to electronically move this up and down, and you can, of course, just do it by hand if you'd rather. Now, look at the back here. We've got the rear seat up. I've only got the headrest on one side, but they slide in and out. I'm going to fold this seat down, and look at all the space that you get right there. I mean, you can put a boatload of things inside this car, and it's all usable. Now, just like the middle row seats are adjustable for the recline, the second row does the same thing. They've got a couple adjustments too. So you can set that up a little differently based on the passengers that you have there. 10-inch subwoofer located in the back. Once again, Rockford Fosgate sound system, 710 watts, one of the best sound systems you've ever heard. All right, I'm going to shut this hatch down. I'm going to give you a little bit more information. As you're watching this go down, I want to refresh you on a couple of things. Number 1, we're financing experts. Okay, and we can do your financing securely via our website. We can do it securely over the phone, and we can absolutely do it for you in person. You will be surprised what options are available for you, and it's very, very simple. It's certified. Once again, 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain, 5 years, 60,000 miles bumper to bumper, 5 years unlimited mileage roadside assistance, 8 years, 80,000 miles computer and catalytic converter, 7 years, 100,000 miles anti-corrosion. We can ship this car anywhere in the country for you. We can make it happen. It's the car you want to drive. It's the options and features you want. 24 city, 29 highway, super all-wheel control and 100,000 miles of warranty. It's a hard car to say no to. Give us a call at Showcase Mitsubishi. We will answer your questions. Our phone number is 989-684-0500.